Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your monthly reading for the month of April 2021, and we are going to see what are the overall guidance for you in this month. Okay, so before that, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so just dig in, okay, into your full detailed version. And before that, one more thing, those who have come from my Instagram account, a warm welcome to you all, and just welcome to the family. And let's get started now. All right, so your overall energy is 8 of Wands in reverse. Scorpios, I feel over here that you are in a mode of stagnation, things not moving. Okay, you not moving, you are just either stick in the past or stick where you are. You are not able to think a lot for your future endeavors, and basically it's a kind of stagnation, we call it. In the past energies, we have 7 of Swords in reverse, 3 of Wands and 3 of Swords. So it's a feeling where you are doing some self-sabotage to yourself. Self-betrayal mode is here, and to me it looks like that you are just making yourself calm. You are trying to say to yourself that all the things are fine, whatever the things are happening in my life, I am moving on, I am doing good to myself. You don't feel pain anymore over here, okay? You feel that you are happy. You are actually, I think you're lying to yourself that you have achieved what you wanted. You don't want to deal with people now. This is a self-betrayal mode. But these things are actually not true, you know. It's just you are lying to yourself. In the present, we have 6 of Cups, the Chariot and the Devil. Although you are still stuck in the past, I feel that you are thinking about that deep cut in your heart, because there is something which happened, like a breakup, a big breakup. Because 3 of Swords tell us that deep cut is really hard to heal. It takes time to heal, and you're still stuck in that past. You feel that you memorize, you feel nostalgic, and that is why I feel that you are stagnant in this situation. You want to move on, but there is a positive thing that you want to move on. You know that this is temporary and things will change. You will find someone else or something else, whatever. If this is your work, you will find a new job. You are working for it. If this is a relationship, you are working for it to get a beautiful new relationship, or just not to enter in any relationship, just move on in your life at this moment. But still you are feeling stagnant because of that past. So you are in the middle of the past thing and the coming future. So you are trying to just balance both things, I feel. Okay, so with in the future energies, we have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, and 5 of Wands in reverse. Yeah, in the future, I feel that you will become a lot more workaholic, or something related to work. I feel that, less emotional, basically, because King of Cups has come up in reverse. You are literally working in your office. You are settling things in your office, and you have become more of a practical person rather than being emotional all the time. And you will start resolving things around you, like the matter of some kind of which needs some kind of resolution in work, or some kind of a resolution in some other areas of life, if those are needed. So I feel things will come up. Good things are coming your way. It's just you are becoming less emotional and more practical in the coming future. Okay, so let's see why the 8 of Wands is here in the overall energy. 9 of Cups and 5 of Swords. Wow, very contradictory energies. I feel that the things which are happening in your life right now, because of that past, things went like there's a broken heart, there is a deep cut in your heart. You are still grateful to your universe. I feel a sense of gratefulness, gratitude, being like, soothing feeling. Although whatever happened, you are taking time for, if the things are stagnant, if you are not rushing things, you are not moving on, at least you are taking time to heal. So if things are happening this way, this is really good, because whatever happened in the past, that was not good. 5 of Swords over here. Things were really ugly in the past, and if those things happened, although it's really hard for you to accept those things, but still you are feeling grateful that yes, it happened. It was for better you, it's for, something better. Let's see why the 7 of Swords is there in reverse. The Devil. Okay, so yeah, I feel that whatever you were betraying yourself, you might have gotten into some kind of addiction as well, but temporary addiction, I feel. Something related to, because you are already betraying yourself, you are lying to yourself with the 7 of Swords in reverse. So with the Devil, I feel that you might have entered into something dangerous, not dangerous, but something which is addicted, some kind of, money related things, might be just spending a lot of money, things which are not necessary to do, but still you were doing. Might be like drinking a lot or smoking a lot, something like that. You entered into like that thing. Let's see, the 3 of Wands in the past energies. The Magician. Okay, and we have 2 cards. And Page of Pentacles. Why were you doing this to yourself, Scorpios? You are literally a person who is very talented, who has everything around the table. When you put your hands on something, that thing, you just get that thing. Why then you entered into something negative, okay, some bad stuff? Because a breakup, I feel that yes, there was a breakup, there was something related to a heartache, big heartache, because literally this girl is like crying her heart out, okay? So, but your energies doesn't look so negative to me. Let's see why the 3 of Swords is here in the past energies. 10 of Cups. Okay, yeah, it can be marriage, it can be something long-term relationship. 10 of Cups is here, and that ended. Because of that ending, it was really happy when you were together. It was precious, and that made you feel that what did I lose? What exactly happened? It's really hard to accept that loss sometimes, and that is why you were not able to accept that loss for a long time. But now when you are ready, you still feel that something is missing. Let's see why the 6 of Cups is there in the present. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you're missing somebody. Might be a Capricorn over here. You might be missing somebody from past. A person, a lady, whosoever, might be, who was financially good, somebody, or this can also mean one more thing, since it has just came in like over here, it came just like this, okay? The Devil on the top and then the Capricorn on the bottom. It feels that you were involved with someone who was always about money, who was always about material gains, and they have actually collected a lot of stuff from you, materialistic way, and that is why you are feeling grateful that if this thing has, you lost it, you are in the mode where you are grateful for this thing to happen, but since you were so much involved in this stuff, so it makes you feel sad as well. The Chariot. Why is the Chariot here? 6 of Pentacles. So yeah, it's a very drastic change in the energies, I feel. So now you are you are becoming more in a sense of a giver, going involving in charities, doing some good work, good deeds in your life, and all the money which you have earned, you are trying to give away that money to someone who is needy, who is in need. Yeah. Five of Wands. Okay, but it came over the Devil, so I will take it for the Devil. One more energy. Eight of Swords, Five of Wands, and the Devil. Okay, you are really trying to move forward, Scorpio, with the Chariot and the Six of Pentacles. It's your energy who is actually, you are self-motivating yourself, but when you get along with the Devil mode, that, you know, that addiction mode, you lose everything, like money, people around you, gossipings are there, you are not able to move forward, you start feeling negative again. You are making yourself positive, you are telling yourself, okay, I can do this, I can be there. You are self-motivating yourself, but your mind is not in control at this moment, Scorpios. Okay, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I'm seeing in the future, in the coming April, you are more working into your work, you are more into your work, you are like talking to your business partners, you know, work, you are busy, and you have a lot of things going on, might be traveling as well. So it's like, let's just start with making money, more and more money, let's work. Okay, why the King of Cups is there in reverse? Queen of Cups is here. Okay, and what else? And the Lovers. Okay, in the coming April, might be you are meeting somebody new, because you have lost all the emotions, but somebody might be Cancerian or a Gemini. You might be meeting that person in the coming April. In the month of April, might be meeting someone new, new communication, somebody who is very much into, you know, love and emotions, and that is why you will get your emotions back, because King of Cups is you only, Scorpio. This is your energy, but it's in reverse, so all your energies are just moving away, but somebody is coming up and they will just make your energies again those fast. Okay, Five of Wands in reverse. Why is it here? Okay, so I'm seeing resolutions, as I am seeing endings and things ending, and resolutions in your work life, or in the other commitments, in other relationships as well. Something is coming up and it is going to happen in a very positive manner in the month of April. So resolutions are going to happen. Somebody might be coming your way, might be Cancerian or a Capricorn, and you are becoming more and more busy in work. So you are losing your emotional side. You have become more practical, and yeah, that's all. So that is all from my side, Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.